everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about the CLOVERCAT trading card binder. I bought this for my daughter. She's obsessed with basketball and basketball cards, so this has been perfect for her. It does have the basketball design on the front and then another one on the back, which is super cute. It does have a carrying strap. My daughter takes this everywhere. She takes it to her friend's house, her grandparents, to school, to show her friends, so it's really convenient that way also. The zipper has been really sturdy. It hasn't gotten stuck. A lot of zippers will catch and get tangled, and this one hasn't had that problem at all. The inside's a really nice material. It is a 3-ring binder. It comes with 9 of these page sleeves, but it can fit up to 50. So that's 720 cards. So it holds quite a lot. The rings themselves have also been really sturdy. They haven't gotten stuck or misaligned like a lot of binders can. They've held up really well. The spine is reinforced, so this isn't gonna bend on you and become all flimsy. It is also waterproof, so you're not gonna have to worry about your cards getting damaged, which is amazing, especially with young kids. We've had this for about 4 months, I would say, and it's held up perfectly. So if you or anybody you know is in the market for something like this, if they love basketball, if you love basketball, I would highly recommend this product. Thank you.